Thank you for purchasing your CrownWall 4x4 6-inch panel kit from Garage Royalty. This video will demonstrate the installation process. You'll need a few tools before installing: a tape measure, a pencil, stud detector, a level, and a drill. Your CrownWall panel kit includes 8 panels, 2 4-foot pieces of J-trim, and 1 4-foot piece of top trim to cover your topmost panel. Also included is an instruction manual, screws, and a screw bit. Step 1. Begin installation by determining how high on your wall you want your panels to sit. Measure the starting point with a tape measure and mark it with a pencil. Step 2. Using a stud detector, locate and mark all studs along the section of the wall that you'd like to cover. Please note that the panel kit must start and end on studs. Studs should be centered 16 inches apart in order to support 150 pounds per linear foot. Use a level to draw a straight vertical line along the wall at each point where you've marked the studs. Each vertical line should be as long as the height of your crown wall, in this case 4 feet, and will serve as a reference point as you screw the rest of the panels into the studs. Step 3. Installing the first panel. Use a level to ensure that your bottom panel is level. Start by screwing through the starter line. The starter line is located in the center of the upper channel of the panel. Do this for each stud except the start and ending studs. Step 4. Now you're ready to add J-trim on either side of your first panel. Use a level to make sure the trim is perpendicular to the panel. Screw through both the starter line of the panel and the J-trim into the starting and finishing studs. The longer side of the J-trim should be flush with the wall. Step 5. Installing panels. Slightly bend and slide your next panel into the J-trim. Slide the next panel into the previous one. You should hear an audible click when it's fully in place. Be sure to screw through the starter line and into each stud before sliding in the next panel. Continue this step until all panels are installed. Step 6. Installing the top trim. To install the top trim, simply press down and clip it into the final panel. That's it. Now you're ready to hang whatever you like on your CrownWall 4x4 panel kit. CrownWall accessories are sold separately and make it easy to store and organize almost anything. Choose from hook options like our 8-inch and 4-inch double hooks, bike hooks, small J hooks, 4-inch single hooks, and our convenient hook kits, along with our versatile shelves and baskets. Each accessory clips smartly into the grooves of your crown wall and locks firmly to support the weight it'll carry. Arrange and rearrange these accessories as needed to fit the demands of your garage and lifestyle. The 4x4 6-inch CrownWall panel kit makes it easy to store and organize almost anything in your garage or anywhere else in your home. Garage Royalty creates stunning garage products tailored to your exact needs.